Hello friends, welcome back to Code Tonight. So in today's video guys, we will see how you can purchase your own Claude key simply. So we will see all the steps that we need. Okay, so first of all we will start with Claude API key, and then once you search that, now we will try to get API key. Okay, so it will ask you to log in, and here I have already logged in. You can log in with your Gmail account, so I will show you again what step it will ask you to do. So you can click on login here, and on login you can continue with Gmail, and then you can select whatever account you want, then you have to do continue. Then it will ask you like if you want to select a organization account or individual key. Okay, so now on the screen we have to go to console. Okay, so it is going to ask how much amount you want to credit by default. So you will have to add your card details here. So I did added the card details and then clicked on buy credits. As the details were confidential, so couldn't include those in the video. But yeah, now it is asking for OTP for completing the payment. Then we will be submitting the OTP. So basically you can only use Cloud AI after you add the credit. So there is nothing like free account or something. You will have to add the amount first, um, before you do the use. So first one was with zero amount. Now it is with the actual amount of the transaction. So now we will add OTP again and click on submit. So we will skip this for now, and we will not do enable auto reload because it might deduct your amount again once this finishes. Okay, so we will not do that. Now we will go to API keys, and here you can create your API key. You can give it your name. Okay, so this is the key created, and you can use this key in your system. Okay, now one more thing. So here you will be able to see in the billing that it is showing your amount. The amount is 00 you see here, it will update in some time. So this is just sync issue. But yeah, you can generate your key and use in your project normally, and it will deduct the amount from here. So thank you guys, and let us know if you have any kind of issues with the billing process. Thank you.